Olapalo uniete Carlo ilukumnyare kida Kaisara luni iriongete loda koro nyezda bui titengi kina Nabuin Agricultural Research and Development Institute Atraktan atomonaka kanoda ngara kina kurio kongunudo karamoja Atraktan anu nyezda ipagisa otomano sirigini lukumina Kaisa kanyeuni konyeda ipudi nyezda bua polo rinoim iborenda yanga akuria webe emina lola na Aiyatakin noi ide koto odumuna Atraktan ache.
16 tractors, the blue type, which we call the New Holland. They are 15 and their horsepower 75. Then we have got one which is horsepower 125.
Those 15 tractors for the whole Karamani is not enough at all. The minimum we need, according to what we have seen so far, is at least 10 tractors per district. So about 90 tractors, 100 tractors will do a good job for the whole region. But the demand for the tractors is very high.
Kopekwa nam ageutakore kungunulo na Park District aijukana rabalwa na kechem neda Elip totoreba inakina Atraktan.
This year we have already received the demand for the Park District. About 2,000 farmers have expressed the demand for the tractors. Actually, a total of 5,000 acres in Napak alone. I've also received demand from Nabuin, a total of 342 farmers who need an area of up to about 3,000 to be planted. So the demand is too high. We are expecting to receive not appropriate. So a clear indication that this number of tractors are not enough.
Eja ngunuda aponi beri Aiyatakin Atraktan ngunude remia remite araibonati walking tractors anoda ingarakina kure kongunuluda ikidio kamisirin.
We are planning to use the walking tractors for the vulnerable communities. Those ones who low like a half an acre and those small gardens. Actually, it is a kind of experimental. We want to see how it can work, especially for those small scale farmers. And also
this mechanization unit is going to galvanize the entire production unit. From planting, harvesting, to marketing, machinery will be deployed.
To pay, and we deal with first come, first serve. And the process begins from the district. The district give us the list of farmers from the district production office. So we use those lists to verify the farmers and we go and plow those gardens. What we do, we are mapping farmers in particular, in a sub-county. So we add up all those farmers in a sub-county. Then we look at how many tractors. And we plan to deploy tractors, either 3, 4, 5, such that we have in that particular area so that we can manage and move on. We have realized that it's faster doing that way.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Karamoja.